Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to save a YouTube video from your account to your desktop computer. Without further ado, let us start the videos on the tutorial. You need to have access to a Mac computer and account for YouTube and the video that we have uploaded to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio, top right corner, shortcut on the bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to content, and then you should have a couple of videos uploaded to the channel. Now what we want to do, let's just say we want to filter by the most viewed video of all time, and we want to then go within these videos and download a video. Let's just now select how to transfer photos from a Mac to USB. Click on details, top right corner, options, and we should be able to download the video. Select the desktop, click on save, and here we have that video now downloaded to the Mac computer, which was uploaded. Let's go back in time on the 6th of December 2020, so almost 5 years ago. So we can now quit Safari, go to the desktop, quit QuickTime Player, right click on the video to get information. And here we can see this video was created on the 22nd of November 2025 at 10:33. We have all the information in regards to the video, last open, dimensions, color profile, duration, audio channel, and whatnot. So we can now quit, get information. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.